everybody. So let's get back to what is inside the box. Uncle Mike has one, I have two. So if I get this, I win. So let's see who wins. So, all right, 3. All right, so here is the item right here, guys. See this? I don't know what it's called, but I bet you'll never guess it.
Say it anyway. Put it in.
3, 2, 1. What is it?
Feeling the vibes from it.
Feeling a rolling vibe? What is it? You have no idea.
I do.
What is it?
I think it's a butt thermometer.
No. A butt thermometer?
No.
What is a butt thermometer?
A baby It's a thermometer for telling the temperature if you're sick or not. Is that correct?
Nope.
That's why I lies. I was wrong. It's a meat thermometer.
Very close. Very close.
Alright, that means I got a point.
No, you don't have a point. That means he missed a point.
Yeah, he missed it. I'm
Very
sorry.
close, though. It is a thermometer.
Alright, find an item for me. If I get this, then
Eyes down.
Close your eyes, buckaroo.
Buckaroo? I'm hearing something. Is it in there?
Yes, it is. Do not look. Keep your eyes
Peso!
up.
Single man. Oh, he had to make it hard. Is this a necklace?
You guessed wrong.
I gotta get one more guess. Is this a wire?
Yes.
It's a wire?
Kind of wire. Tight.
It's a shoelace. No,
Got
it's
it wrong.
what is it?
Take it out.
Give me a hint. Give me a
No,
hint.
you already had enough hints.
Oh man, it's a cord.
No, it's headphones.
Headphones. You're gonna need to go and find something else for him.
It's a tie game, my friend.
Tie
Right.
game.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Smackdown.
All right, your side.
All right.
Oh, you got thermometer, so it's tied now.
I'm gonna try to beat it.
All right, he's gonna do one now.
What are you eating?
Close your eyes. Oh, you got something?
This is the item. He'll never guess it.
Okay.
Put it in there so it's in.
Okay.
Just want you to know you have to search a lot.
Is it?
Yeah, it's in there. It's very small.
It's getting to be nap time.
All right, get it. Put your hands in quick. It's right there. What is it?
I know what it is.
What is it? Tell me.
I know what it is.
What is it?
It's a nose ring.
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't. It's a nose ring. This is the one I had on my nose for Halloween.
No, it isn't.
You get one more guess.
One more.
A fishing hook.
No,
you got
take it
wrong.
out. Take it out.
Take it out.
Let's look at, it's a screw.
Oh, see?
It's a hooky screw.
All right, now you gotta hide your eyes, Wiley.
All right, hopefully I can get
Markiplex.
this one. Is it still going? Still rolling? Still rolling? Is it rolling?
It's rolling, Markiplex. It's rolling.
Yeah. Peace, dudes.
His eyes closed.
All
Mm-hmm.
right.
Okay.
Oh, this is. I can
Okay.
sense you. Seriously,
What is it?
it's a piece of paper.
No. It's toilet paper.
Like, what is this?
Something you're very fond of.
Money. It's money. It's
got it.
money. It's $1.
You got it right.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And the winner
It's
You don't
me.
keep my dollar.
is
Me. Ding, ding, ding.
Mark Chocoplex.
Thank you for watching this week's episode. Make sure you stay tuned for next Wednesday. Peace out, bros.